Hi, we are Group 15 of Management Information System BPA20703 Section 5 class. In this video, we will explain about the usage and acceptance of RFID tag for toll payment. First of all, I will introduce our group members. Our group members are Tan Zi Chong, IRRIN ARISSA QISTINNA binti AHMAD ZAMILIE, Muhammad ARIFIN bin Muhammad, Muhammad AIMAN bin ALIAS, Muhammad NURILHAM bin NORDIN, and NAJIHAH binti AZMAN. Hi, my name is AJLAA binti AZMAN. My matrix number is AP190232, and I will explain the introduction for our topic. In this video, I will be explaining three parts, which is the company background, the nature of business, and the market sales of the company. Radio frequency identification, also known as RFID, is a technology where digital data are stored within an RFID tag and is captured by radio waves. In Malaysia, RFID are used as a toll payment system. One of the company that uses RFID in Malaysia is Touch 'n Go Sdn Bhd. Touch 'n Go is a software and technology company that provides electronic payment solutions in Malaysia. They provide payment system for tolls, parking, public transport, and even some retail stores. Touch 'n Go Sdn Bhd was founded in 1996 by Ceras Technology Sdn Bhd. They are a subsidiary of CIMB Group Holdings Berhad. The first services that Touch 'n Go has launched is the Plus Expressway in 1997. Their nature of business is Touch 'n Go Sdn Bhd is a private limited company owned by CIMB Group Holdings Berhad. They tied a partnership with Ant Financial and its subsidiary Alibaba Group, focusing on their market growth. Touch 'n Go works towards improving and providing an easier payment for many services. Touch 'n Go earns profit by being the only company that provides electronic payment system for tolls in Malaysia. They aim towards a cashless society and enhancing their customer satisfaction. Touch 'n Go market sales are based on three items, which is Touch 'n Go card, Smart Tag, and RFID. By March 2021, their net profit is RM2.46 billion. Roughly, they have around 25 million Touch 'n Go card users and 1.2 million of RFID users. That is all from me. I will pass to the next presenter, Muhammad NURILHAM.
Thank you, Angela, for your part. Now, I'm continue with my part is the explain RFID technology and application RFID in Malaysia. By the way, my name is Muhammad NURILHAM. My matric card AP190239. Now, I'm continuous my presentation to explain the RFID technologies. What is the RFID technology? RFID is an abbreviation for radio frequency identification. It refers to a technology in which digital data stored in RFID tag or smart label is captured by a radio using a radio frequency. RFID is equivalent to barcoding in that the data from a tag or title in a retrieved by a computer and stored in the database. Now it's shown the illustration. How does the RFID is work? It starts from the computer, RFID reader, antenna, and a transponder. Okay, the reader sends into all data to computer system to collecting, logging, and processing by RFID reader. Antenna is the broadcast signal through the antenna. Transponder is the receiver signal. Transponder is charged with enough energy to send a back and identify the response lecture data. Okay, now is the RFID test and the smart level. It is shown the basic RFID system, how it works. It's from the RFID reader, from the car or from the scanner. It connected to the antenna wireless and receive the data from the RFID tag. And it transfers the computer database from the antenna and to RFID tag. Alright, the next is also the last, the application RFID in Malaysia. From that chart, we shown that the food industry, computer industry, industry engineering, industry policy, and business sector use the RFID in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you to Muhammad NURILHAM. So, I will discuss about finding of the study. Based on the table and diagram, demographics show the response in terms of gender. A total of 20 respondents consisting of family member, neighbor, and the fellow researchers were targeted by questionnaire of this study. Among these 20 respondents, a total of 11 people equal to 55% female respondent, and the remaining 9 people equal to 45% a male respondent. There was a small gap difference in the gender selection of the respondent. This is because the female gender is more interested about smart tech than male gender. Next, demography show respondent by smart tech or touch and go user. Smart tech or touch and go user is 30 people, which is 65% of respondent, compared to not using smart tech or touch and go is 7 people, which is 35% of respondent. This is because the user of smart tech touch and go is easier to make payment compared to using cash. Next, based on table and figure, smart tech help me for toll payment more quickly is the highest, which is 50 people responded strongly agree, equivalent to 75%. While smart tech is free for all download to use without charging maintenance fee is the lowest, which is 0 people responded strongly disagree, equivalent to 0%. And the last one for our grace, for 4 people respondent equivalent to 4% is smart tech has highest security system that protect user data. In conclusion, smart tech is the one of the easiest way to make payment. That's all for me, thank you. So next I pass to Tanzil John.
Good morning to Dr. Rosmaini. My name is Tan Zichong, and my normal metric is AP190257. And now I will present the section C, that is the user experience after using RFID tags for toll payment. First, we can know about that the most of the respondents, that is 80%, knows about the RFID tags that used for toll payment faster, and another 20% of the respondents did not know about the RFID tags. Maybe they still using the payment with cash. And about the 95% of the respondents think about that system IFD and reduce the workers in the plaza door. This is because the RFID system helps to allow toll payment faster and easier, and also help to reduce the labor cost at the plaza toll. And the third question, most of the respondents agree with that because the people can do top up the balance through the online system. It is simple to do and no need to do this at the plaza door. It saves their time. And the fourth option, most of the respondents are disagree with this option. That is system IFD has bring bad effect to user. Inversely, the RFID system have brought a lot of benefit to users. For example, save time for toll payment, and it is better than payment with cash. And this part, the most of the respondents will recommend to others because touch and go brings a lot of benefit to users. For example, it has provide a lot of promotion like coupons, voucher, and others for user while using it for payment. And the sixth option, most of the people have smartphone and will download the application to use because it can be using in anywhere like shopping, online shopping, and others. And it also brings a lot of benefits to the user and it is easy to use. The last option, most of the respondents had agreed with the IFE system still need improvement for future. And it need improvement for future, and it has huge potential to become useful system for other sector. And that's all for me. And now I will pass to the next presenter. And thank you.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AIMAN from ALIAS, matrix number 1890009. Now I am going to present about what are the special benefits using RFID. The first one is durability. When a paper or vinyl barcode tag becomes worn, torn, or simply dirty, it is useless. RFID tags are not hampered by some of the common problems that affect barcode scanning, such as dirty, torn, or obstructed labels. Barcode labels are susceptible to these problems because they are typically printed on paper. The second one is expanded read range. Where barcode require a scanner to manually read every tag, RFID can track multiple tags simultaneously, transmitting data, eliminating the need for a direct line of sight between the scanner and tag. RFID also offer a longer read range, up to 100 feet away versus 20 feet for a barcode. The third one is hack-proof security. Barcodes can be fully duplicated with little more than a photocopy. By contrast, programmable RFID tags offer advanced data encryption which thieves and hackers cannot replicate, making this technology the imagined choice for product authentication. The next one is large quantity. Companies that utilize barcode tracking software require employees to scan each label separately. But when a business uses RFID tracking software, potentially hundreds of tags may be read per second, as the tags are activated by radio signals from the reader. The last one is read or write capabilities. RFID tags can be programmed with unique data about an item, such as immunization histories, or first in first out rotation for material assets like laundry tags. This data can be quickly updated remotely via a mobile RFID scanner, where barcode scanners require manual downloads to a central database.
Thank you to Muhammad AIMAN for your presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to Dr. Rosmaini. My name is IRRIN QISTINNA BINTI ZAMILIE. My matrix number is CP190094. I will continue my part, which are the conclusion and the recommendation about the technology RFID based on the survey that we had made. To conclude that based on the observations, majority respondents are aware about the presence of technology RFID that was introduced in 2018 at Malaysia. They agree that this RFID system provides many benefits to users in terms of the use of available facilities, such as being able to save time in payment because it is necessary to scan the code only, avoid traffic congestion, has a good security features to protect respondents' privacy data, free only for upload the Touch and Go application. Therefore, the acceptance of this system received a good response from users. In addition, the RFID system needs to be upgraded further to remain efficient in the future. As a community in Malaysia, they are focused on something new and give a good maintenance to them to continue to support all the technologies that will improve and introduce. The relationship between efficiency and improvement in business is that it is very efficient and worthwhile, as it can increase efficiency and lower its cost when implementing RFID technology, because it uses automatic process and improve asset utilization and quality. This RFID system provides many benefits as it is used to identify items that have been coded. Our recommendations are: scan efficiency that can detect car from a long distance at the proper speed to open the crossbar. RFID tags must deal the system for registration between the Touch and Go. The sticker should put inside of the car at white screen to avoid it from the raining, damage and loss. Upgrades. The RFID tags need to upgrade about the technical glitches on the readability of some systems. Indeed, there is no stopping the full cashless transaction at all. I think that's all from us. Thank you.